Ribbit, Ribbit. Oh, hello and welcome to Becca's English Book Club and more. Sorry about that. I was just enjoying my little frog umbrella because it's been raining quite a lot here. So I've got my nice green frog umbrella and my pink raincoat and my hood. So I'm all prepared for the rain. Maybe that means that our book is about rain. Let's find out. First, we're going to sing a song. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Little Ina wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Marco and Enzo want to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Aris and Anna want to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Emma and Liam want to play. Rain, rain, go away. Oh, well, I hope all this rain goes away tomorrow because it's been raining for so many days. And what happens after it rains? Usually, the sun comes out. So I'm hoping tomorrow that the sun will come out. Now we're going to read a little book about Kipper and some of his animal friends. Let's see what happens. The Little Kipper Collection. Splosh by Mike Inkpen. Splash went the rain on Kipper's umbrella. Splosh went the puddle as Kipper jumped into it. Flash went the lightning. Boom went the thunder. Drip, drip, drip went the water off the hedgehog's nose. Hop, squelch, hop, squelch, hop, squelch went the 3 little rabbits. Ha, 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 tissue went the hedgehog. And then he did it again. Tissue. Slop, slap, slop, slap went the water under the umbrella. And at last, without a slap or a slop or a hop or a squelch or a drip or a boom or a flash or a splosh or a splash, out came the sun. Well, I'm very happy that the sun came out for Kipper and his friends. And I hope you liked that book and song. If you'd like to watch more, then please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Goodbye.